Hi guys, this is Miss Witherspoon and I'm checking in through science. If you look at your Google Classroom, you have lessons to complete as well. Some of you have been doing a really good job on your literacy lessons and making sure that you submit them, as well as ask me any questions that you might have. So please make sure when you log into Google Classroom that you're working on your science assignments as well. For this week, the week of the 23rd, you're going to work on review force and motion. So if you go back to our Google Classroom, you will be able to see the lessons that I have uploaded for you in our science class. And I know Angela has been working on them. So if you look here, I have March 16th through April 3rd. I've uploaded several different assignments that you can work on. Today I'm going to upload for you a review on force and motion because that is a standard that we could do better in. So I've uploaded information from the human body, food chain, as well as force and motion practice. Today, right now, I'm going to upload for you some more practice for for force and motion, as well as the slides that so that you can go back and review. So you'll be looking at force and motion study guide. You're going to make a copy. It's already going to ask you to make a copy. You can also look in your notes on the force and motion that we've already typed in, and you're going to go through the activities for force and motion from Newton's law. Then you have a little true, false, and multiple choice and open response questions. So you already have your digital notes in your Google Docs. So all you have to do is go back and look at them. But I will also upload some study information so that you can browse that first before you go into the study motion guide. And once you finish, just share it back with me so that I can give you credit, because you know grades are due or will be finalized on Thursday. And you'll be able to go on Power School as well to look at your scores. Make sure you're looking at Discovery Ed and looking at the force and motion videos. It's located right here. This is also where you can check your Power School for your grades. So please, please, please make sure you are going over your assignments. Make sure that you are practicing. I am going to, or I will make sure I'll double check that you've used your notes. And if you have any questions, just send me a message and I will respond back to you. I'm going to go ahead and put copy so that you can make a copy. So these will be your personal notes that you can add directly to your study guide, and so that you can save them and browse and study. I also added Quizlet as well as study jams so that you can have a little fun practicing. I will also add some quizzes to here so that you can compete with your classmates. So you have, it says March 16th through April 3rd lessons, complete Discovery Ed lessons. I put your code directly on your laptop or your Chromebook. So I wrote them personally and I stuck it to your Chromebook. So it's what's labeled in orange. But of course, you know that. And you can look at your Discovery Ed lessons on the force of motion, body systems, as well as food chains. Please make sure you know those. Take as many notes as possible. Watch it as many times as you need to make sure that you are a pro at it. So it is located here. I'm going to do a link so that you can watch the video over and over again. Remember, this is for you. So you want to make sure that you know everything's possible, from the body systems to to the food chains and food webs, all the way down to Force in Motion. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. The building will be open from 10:30 to 12:30 if you want to pick up lunch, or drop by and leave me a message and I will stop by and pick it up. Feel free to message me and I will get right back to you. Please be safe. I miss you all and I will talk to you later.